Now let me take you through the next important feature of import in SolidWorks add-in, and it is create a catalog from folder. This will import a folder of SolidWorks parts and assemblies into OpenBOM and create a part catalog from them, which is can be really powerful. I happen to store my files on Dropbox, and so I'm going to go pick up my Drone 23 off the Dropbox. I could have been on OneDrive or anywhere else, or on my local drive. I'm going to click OK. We can see the progress as those SolidWorks parts and assemblies are reviewed. The SolidWorks OpenBOM part catalog has been created. And let's take a look at that. This is a part catalog with all of the parts for my Drone 23. These were imported directly from my SolidWorks storage area on Dropbox.